The Enyaq iV seems to be the car we've all been waiting for. Not only is it really good looking, it's fully electric and really affordable.
The interior really surprised me. The steering wheel and the dash and the head-up display, yeah, it's really won it for me.
I think it looks amazing. The front grille or the LED lights looks really mega.
Yeah, I love it. It's such a beautiful car, and I love the fact that it's electric. Great that it's so eco-friendly.
I think it looks really impressive. It's kind of like almost iconic already, and also the range, just from a practical perspective, really impressive range.
It has such a presence. You look at it and it's a really striking car. I think it's beautiful.
I love that it doesn't just look good, it's super practical. I mean, I'm a mum, this would work perfectly for me, and it's electric, so it's a win-win.